Mark here again, Rockin' Walls, just up at the Niagara Falls area, Canadian side. This is at Willowbank School for Preservation Trades, and this is the building in 2014 had the opportunity to work on, especially this side over here. Neat structure itself. It's 2018. Not a whole lot's been done since that time. Obviously, funding ran out for finishing up the roof. So they're still working on that. But some really neat examples once again with this structure specifically. Now the structure itself is a total of 42 feet long by 30 and 6 inches. To the roof line it's 88 inches. The bottom of the wall foundation is about 33, and at the top is anywhere from 22 to about 24. Some really neat examples too. The windows, they would do these angles specifically, I guess, in a lot of castles, so allow more light to come in, and just kind of neat how that happened. Same thing with the windows. That one's beveled out there. See the angle on that. So just really neat structure. This would be the second and the largest currently in North America for new construction of dry laid stone structures themselves. It would be like inhabited structures, and this is supposed to be, it was titled as a blacksmith house, and the idea was that, you know, for the school itself it could be used for the ground would be rough and could be used for blacksmithing. But they're up in areas, a lot of wineries, and great potential for a lot of wedding events. Something like this. They started doing a slate roof on it, as you can see. That was part of one of the training. And then also what was really neat with the school, they did the students did all the timber construction. I believe it's a white oak. Really just beautiful structure itself with so much potential. Hopefully at some point in time we get it wrapped up. Obviously the timbers themselves will deteriorate prior to the wall ever failing, obviously. But hopefully it will get done, the roof will get put on it, and they'll be able to utilize the structure. See the walls here, ends of the wall. Just a quick view. And that's it. Another good example of dry laid stone construction. Thank you.